Good morning, students. I, Brijesh Singh, Subhraj Singh Children Academy, today's strongly welcome in political science class. I have taken a lot of lectures in offline classes and totally discussed how the India got freedom. Now we are moving the next part, how the main topics after getting the independence of India faced challenges in political science, challenges of new nation. And before delivering my lecture, I want to just precaution of that in these days the tough circumstances are running. So I want to instruct you, please, the precautions must be maintained, because one of the worst condition is running on the human being ground or for the existence of human being. So I personally request you, the maximum precautions must be taken, and we are all of totally ready to survive the maximum part of the teaching materials and try to fulfill the gap of your distance between the school and your homely attachment. We all are dedicated to you. Just coming in the college campus, I will supply all the teaching materials, and don't lose your heart and continue and try to touch your destination, because it's your testing period. You have to apply the mental toughness. I have already delivered a lot of the motivation situation regarding to your study periods. The positivity should be observed properly to tackle the everything, because the stability of mind status is one of the most important fact can be forwarded you in the straight line direction to achieve their goal. So today's topic, now political science, first lesson goes to you, challenges of new nation. I have delivered so many years related to consequences, what the particular year was very concerned regarding to Indian freedom. After getting Indian freedom, there were so many challenges, but it was the mental toughness of our political leaders. They handed over the Indian people democracy and their liberty, their basic problems achieved. It was the very true. India got freedom. Undoubtedly, in 1947 India got freedom, but it's very bitter true. After getting the independence of the India, there were not the ending of the problems of surviving by the people. The proposal is being demanded both logical and justified. It was very tough conditions to people of the scenarios, and the political leaders have huge challenges how to sustain the political independence. This was the big question before our country, and our political leaders took it as challenging form. These are the scenarios I have discussed in the class. I had started from the journey 1905. Once again I want to repeat, 1905 Bengal partition was the preliminary stage of emerging the first step successfully got by the Indians to take the proper action to occupy the Indian independence journey first step. I want to repeat 1 or 3 and 4 more statements which has been discussed in the previous classes and offline. So I am ready to survive the particular facts, one of the most preconditions that you must be reminded in your mind, whatever the type. I will take the connection of the challenges of the new nation, because these were the particular year having so many important events that closely contact to make the India got freedom, from where we have highlighted, from where the nationalists achieved people were extremely high level temperament to occupy the Indian independence. Definitely these years have been mentioned. We have delivered a lot of consequences, a lot of major problems, a lot of situations, a lot of barriers, a lot of obstacles, and whatever the political gain and needs mental toughness at what the competent matter of our Indian political leader assert a very matured concept to achieve the independence. Before coming to the topic of the challenges of the new nation, what were the new challenges of the new nation after getting the India freedom? First of all, we have to take the brief survey what were the pain have been absorbed to getting the freedom of India. One of the most important fact, there were so many challenges of the nation, to building the nation. We have to generate the nation, because challenges were not going to be ended after getting independence. We have to so many challenges after getting the independence, and definitely we will take the action one by one, and something a specialized zone and the sophisticated manner we are going to discuss properly in the very brief condition, and we will also highlight a lot of the major consequences we are closely contact to the Indian of freedom, and just the major three challenges were first of all, unification of India. This was the most important aspect after getting the independence. It was very apprehended performance of being criteria on the social society, how the India tackled the unification of the country after absolute getting independence. The first major problem, unification of our country. Uncertainty was running in the air on the floor of society, on the floor of words. If India would be able to get the liberty, is it sure? It is confidence that people were not going to trust on Indians, that they must be able to unify the country. Unification of the country, because there are so many languages, there are so many religious minded persons, cultural activities, because India is not a small country. India is just a huge country to organize, and the collectively responsibilities to be survived on across the country. It was not tough, but the toughest job for our Indian political leader. The first challenge goes to you, to unification of our country. This was the first. I will take the complete discussion about what were the challenges of the unified of the country, especially the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I will mention strongly what were the tremendous efforts have been made by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and the Indians cannot be forgotten, especially the contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who were the leading role to be the success of unified of our country. Definitely I will take the long lecture about it. Now we are totally concentrate on the topic of the challenges of new nation, and the second portion of the to sustain a reliable democracy, to sustain reliable democracy. It was also a big challenge for the India after getting independence from the British era, how the India can forwarded the reliable democracy, because it was the personal dream of the Indian political leaders after getting independence from the British era. We have to our own constitution, we have to generate our own rule, and we have to take the proper channels, and from the sovereignty of our country nobody is going to interfere. agenda, main agenda before getting the freedom. It was the main agenda of the Indian. We have to complete adopt the sovereignty. We have our own constitution and we have to implement our democracy. But this is matter to be focused after getting the India of freedom, how the sustainable reliable democracy, how the Indian political leaders were success and what barriers were made, and how the India sustained and faces a lot of the religious, physical, mental and economic tortures to do with establish proper of the sustainability of the democracy. I will take the proper lecture about these conditions. This was not easy. This was not only target to getting the freedom of India. Freedom of India. The topic is running the challenges of new nation. These were the very huge matter to be analyzed here. It was not enough to getting the India. India got independence 1947 and the division of the 3 June 1947 and the migration of the Pakistan and India and the British era. But it was not running under huge satisfactory. Something were standing before us and the big form of the challenges. It was the major criteria to be solved exactly to take the equality, sustainability among the people. Because people were excited how we are going to the extorted position of our country and totally tackled these problems which have been long years of the 200 years from the British era. It was the mental happiness, but the challenges were not over. The game was not over. Now the sustainable reliable democracy, this was the main agenda. This was the main agenda of our Indian political leaders. Having got freedom from the British era, we have to survive, we have to launch our responsibilities, our democracy, our republic, our rules and regulation, and must be on the floor of our own constitution. Complete sovereignty. Dominion states, no person will be allowed to take interfere from in our country to making rules and regulations, and particular for those persons who are standing the last queue of our countries. Their basic needs should be eradicated on the lovingly attitudes. Taking it was the main freedom of the absolute meaning of the freedom. Absolute meaning of the freedom. Absolute meaning of the freedom. Freedom. This can be defined. Absolute freedom of the meaning of the freedom when the people are getting the realization of taking the action of the complete sustained reliable democracy and unification of our country, and people who are facing a lot of challenges, the basic challenges was totally tackled on the big bone of the throat, and it was the big challenge of our nation. First of all, to internal problems should be tackled properly, and it was the very unprecedented task. Now the second word you can say unprecedented task. Very tragic demise. And thirdly, painful partition. Now the third important challenges before the nation was complete eradication of the poverty. You have complete awareness. Before the India getting freedom, people were dying hunger. They don't have the sophisticated enough amount of the food. They were not capable to survive the proper dieting, health infrastructure. So eradication of poverty and making proper balance among community. Different languages, different culture, collectively on the slightly on one era, after getting the main problems here as the name of the challenges of new nation after getting India freedom, these three problems were very important to tackle properly, because these were the burning problem after India having got the freedom. This is the chapter name. I have already told you challenges of the new nation. I have discussed it also in offline classes. To unification of our country, especially Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, take the proper discussion about it. To sustain the reliable democracy, which was our dream project, because Indian political leaders have dream project after migration of the Britishers from the India. We have to set up our own constitution, our own democracy and own constitution. As the result of the 1946, the Constituent Assembly has been formed, and Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar contributed hugely to making the drafting committee involved, and taking the preamble has been discharged by the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And so Sachchidanand Sinha, these were the incidents, these were the consequences we have studied in previous classes. This is not new thing for you. We have to acknowledge proper here. And now the 1905, I have written this, and before taking the complete explanation, we have to mention the challenges of the new nation. It has been done. It has been done very successfully. The unification of our country. In this process, I will take the complete discussion of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the second topic, because he is the centered person. He is the complete centered person, how they organize the princely states. Otherwise, now in the form of the India, there were so many states, and so big challenge if Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had not made the maximum effort to unify from the princely state, and taking the conviction of the mentally and charged, emotionally discharged him, and charged his potential capacity to make the unification of. It was the big success of India. It was the big success of India in 1947, getting freedom 1948, unification of our country. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India, and called generally in the people lovingly the Iron Man of the country. He showed tremendous maturity to take the action of, and maximum princely states and be diluted in the India. That's called the maximum solutions where behalf of our present scenarios. Otherwise, it was the big problem to take the unified of our country. Definitely, I will take the something extraordinary points about the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, how efforts had been made, how they closely contact with the princely state, how the mentally pressure and take that diplomatic style they focused. Secondly, to sustain the reliable democracy. I have already told you, this was the main dream of our Indian freedom. That's republic and sovereignty. Our own constitution will be survived, and we have to take the proper action of taking the own constitution. I don't have any kind of the compromised action to we take the proper democracy. We will constitute, we will generate our constitution, we will constitute our law, and according to the country of our nobody interference of the sovereignty of our country. Because this is what they call the absolute meaning of the freedom. You have implemented the complete role of your constitution. Until you don't have the liberty, until you don't have the making rule and process regulation, how can you prove yourself the proper democracy country? In other words, you can say the reliable of the democracy should be the very authenticity condition of taking the action among our country should be India. Because we have been, because Britishers had handed over, but the challenges were not off. challenger bottom up, I will take the a lot of the lectures about it here. This is the first video, and second video, the very panic and very tragic demise of the partition of the Bengal, and secondly the partition of the double nation theory, India and Pakistan, how the Jinnah played something cruel role about the success in talking of the religious matter of Hindu and Muslim. What was the toughest migration from Hindu and Muslim, how were the painful condition, and people and children and women and youngsters were dying, and the border, it was the very unprecedented condition of India. So many topics. This was the only introduction topic of the challenges of new nation, and goes to you to the first video, the Bengal partition. Bengal partition was the turning point to be sustained the proper nationalism. Because we have to absorb a lot of question having connected of the MCQ questions, one-liner question. So definitely we have to cross-checking from all the questions independently, and the particular year and particular month, particular personality should be evaluated properly, because there are 4 options in the one-liner question, MCQs question. So we have to concentrate highly a perception to take the proper channel. Exactly we have to cover our answer. So the unification of our country, we talk about the unification of our country, definitely Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's contribution cannot be forgotten, and a lot of contributions, how they tackled the problems of unification of our country. I will take the proper action about that here, and detail the next lecture. I will take the proper deliverance matter, proper delivery, proper lecture, proper output I will present before you. Now this is the brief summary of the first lesson, to sustain the reliable democracy. Main concentration of our Indian Constitution, 1946, 9 December 1946, and the Constituent Assembly, drafting committees, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. There were so many prominent leaders and legendaries who have sacrificed their present for our future. Ultimately, we don't have any kind of doubt to say they are completely success to sustain, to capture their goal, as the resulting you are living in free India. This is not very easy history around 1905 to 1947. 1947-1905 was the very struggling days for of Indian freedom. It was not very. If you have going to this survive minutely observation, a centered focus of particular year 1905, 1906 virgination of Muslim League, 1907 partition of the Congress, 1919 Montemirlo Sudhar, and 1911 migration of changes of the capital, 1914, 1915, 1916, 1917, and 1929 the absolute liberty, Purn Swaraj, Lahore, Congress, 1930 the round table, 30, 31, 32, 33, Irving Pact, 1935, the first amendment on the launching of 1935, which was the main part of the Constitution of India, have been borrowed perfectly from the 1935 Amendment Act. 1935 acts, our Indian Constitution making and the sovereignty have been captured properly. More than the 60% topics and the elements and the main matters have been borrowed from the Act of the 1935, which was the turning point of Indian constitutions. And so many things have been brought from the other across of the country and the foreign countries here. I will discuss about this here. Bengal partition, 1905, 1906, 1907, and the game of and ultimate date of here, just 3 June 1947 was the very painful day for the point of the India. A united India that converted into 2 part of division of the India and Pakistan. India and Pakistan. It was the late foundation of India and Pakistan, having the theory of the double nation and composed by Jinnah and it was the very conspiracy having taken by British era. They have concentrated and totally on the diversion of the Jinnahs and blackmailing portion of they have tackled properly on the Jinnah. Jinnah was not a starting portion. They have contributed. They are the Pakistanis and a lot of persons who are living in Pakistan. They were the part of the India. Definitely, they were the emerging role of Indian independence. But the no present time, the Pakistan and India, which were the main part of the complete sovereignty of India. Totally, Jinnahs, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a tremendous role to occupy the faction of here. But mentally diversion of the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, mentally diversion of the emotionally blackmail of the to the Jinnah by the Britishers, they have injected the poisonous position as the resulting of you got the 3 June 1947 and India and Pakistan. After that story is very, very tragic. After that story is very, very the migration in the human being history. It was the very, very panic, very, very painful migration. We will take the proper discuss about the here, and all kind of 3 actions will be elaborated in fantastically taking the action of the challenges of new nation detail, because it was the summary and surrounded locations, surrounded events which were responsible to take the proper challenges of the 3 June 1947 India and Pakistan were divided into 2 parts, and how were the tragic demise, tragic massacres had been took place in the particular this partition. I will discuss in complete form of the all events, how the painful days and Hindu and Muslims communities both were captured, both have faced a lot of challenges, a lot of the pathetic scenarios which were very on the humanities on the floor of in the history of human being. This has been rectified on the very important tragic demise. 3 June 1947. In next videos, I will take the proper analysis and particular challenges of new nation. At least 2 or 3 videos we are going to be deliver and taking the complete notes and particular dates and particular personality legend date who are very, very important for the MCQ's question one liner. We have to concentrate easily for every actions, every date and every turning points and the contribution and taking the action have been taken towards the Indian freedom of fighters and taking the action of all kinds of the Indian Constitution Assembly and the 1947 division and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru making the first government of the President Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and before that the 14 members having cabinet 1942, Lord Mountbatten has challenged the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to make the internal government. I have discussed it in my previous offline classes. So all the matters should be collectively delivered in the next videos. Take the proper reading of your textbook and use the correction of words, because until you don't have the clarification of reading of the total explanatory notes of the having sustain of the meaning of the sentences, you will be able to sustain the complete form of performance of your textbook. So collect your words meaning from your textbook and take maximum times revision and focus your explanatory notes, and after that I will take these topics in the form of full explanation. Have a nice day. Thank you everybody.